In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail display. First, go to the Inbox tab in Settings. To do this, open your Gmail account and look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on the gear icon to access the Settings menu. You will see several options appear. Look for the See All Settings button and click it. This will take you to a new page with multiple tabs at the top. You want to focus on the tab labeled Inbox. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the settings that control how your emails are displayed. Once there, you'll have the tools you need to start fixing the display issues in Gmail. Next, change your inbox type to multiple inboxes and save. In the Inbox Settings tab, you will find a drop-down menu labeled Inbox Type. Click on this menu and select the option for multiple inboxes. This setting allows you to customize your inbox layout, giving you the flexibility to view emails from different categories simultaneously. After selecting the option, scroll down and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This action is important because it prompts Gmail to refresh the way your inbox is organized, clearing up any display issues you might be experiencing. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. From there, switch it back to default and check your categories tabs, including primary, social, and promotions. Go back to the same drop-down menu where you selected multiple inboxes. This time, choose the default option. This action resets your inbox to the original layout that Gmail uses by default. After selecting this option, again click Save Changes. This step is essential as it ensures that you are returning to a familiar structure. After saving, take a moment to look at your categories tabs. You should see the primary, social, and promotions tabs reappear in your inbox. This gives you a clear overview of where your emails are categorized. Finally, save again. This completely clears Gmail's layout cache. It is a straightforward yet effective step to finalize the adjustments you have made. After checking your categories tabs, simply click the Save Changes button once more. This ensures that all the changes will be properly registered in Gmail's system. Clearing the layout cache is crucial because it helps eliminate any glitches or display issues that may have persisted. You should notice that your inbox now looks cleaner and more organized, reflecting the changes you made throughout this process. With these steps, you've effectively fixed the display issues in Gmail. Remember that email organization is vital for productivity, and these adjustments can significantly enhance your experience. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to revisit these settings. You can always fine-tune your Gmail to better suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.